Welcome to the Vid Waves AI training video series. This tutorial will show you how to create a video from a blog URL in Vid Waves AI. Choose Blog to Video. Here you can create videos from a blog URL. Just add blog URL. Now choose ratio of your video, language, and duration of your video. Click on Generate and your video will be open in Video Editor. Here you can customize your video.
Are pouring billions into generative AI startups, signaling a new era.
You can replace any slides with the Replace option. You can search and replace any scene. You can search scene from stock image, from AI, or upload from your local. And your slide will be replaced.
Investors are betting big on generative AI, with billions pouring into startups. In Q3,
you can add background music to your video, volume, caption, font color, and position of text. Click on Export and your video will be ready. You can manage your video in the Manage Video section. Here you can view your video.
investors are betting big on generative AI, with billions pouring into startups. In Q3 2024, VCs invested 3.
Share your video on social sites. Or delete it. Thanks for watching the video.